code here. Okay, so I mean here I will take up this the main value. Okay, here I will define and import the module. Okay, so it is in the line. And before getting to this predict, okay, one more thing which we have to do is, I think this YPred will be in the array, so I have to give it the Y test the in np.double. Okay, so what happens, it will give me all of the values which is in an array format, so it will be easy to give this value into my formula. Now what I have to say, print, so what is my defined value, which is r2 underscore squared, and I think I've been already given all of the values. Okay, so I no need to mention. Okay, so metrics, the machine learning also I'm utilizing. Okay, and rest of the things I'm giving in this part. So Y test and YPred is ready. So let's say control B, and it give me the, if I am not done any mistake, any error, it give me the perfect value. Okay, not even single missing decimal values. Okay, so that is the basic, I mean the benchmark which we are checking. Okay, so it will be the same. Okay, so that's how we say that things are getting from scratch. Okay, so we are getting the values. Okay, so I think the accuracy we got is like near to the one value, which we say as a 99% we got the value. Okay, and it's one and the same. Okay, so it is a perfect the formula which we got, it is a perfect one. Okay, so that is how you can try. Okay, so like next series I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna take up the linear regression from the scratch. Okay, so the point is here, so suppose if you get from the basics, it will be like from the formula, from the core. Okay, it will be better in understanding, and whatever the changes required, that can be done easily. Okay, so that's the reason I'm doing. And see, this is 99% which I'm talking about. The value which we set here. Okay, say suppose what happens, the value which we are talking as in 0 and 1. Okay, so suppose the value which we got as in this decimal value, okay, as in 0.99 something, or this one. So this is what we prefer as a good fit, so we'll say them as a percentage wise. So instead of mean squared error, okay, if we go with this stuff, I think this is better to evaluate any kind of a machine learning model. Okay, it will be easy to say, instead of getting a calculation or telling which I'm gonna getting the values and all, instead of that, okay, we can say simply that 99% it is accurate. So this our machine learning model is perfect, and we can take up these artificial values, we can put it in our framework, and we can utilize. Okay, so in that case we can do, means here what I'm doing, so suppose the prediction which I'm doing based on open price. Okay, I want to get a close price. Now what happens in a close price. So suppose if any of the candle it is there, okay, first what we get, first we will get as a open price. Okay, so at starting of zeroth means at the starting of the second. Okay, so initially whenever the countdown begins from 1, okay, so what happens, we are taking the open price itself, okay, and at the end we will take up the close price. So at 59th second, okay, we are taking this value. Before moving to next one, we are taking a close value. Now what we are if we are able to predict the close value, how much time we are saving up is we can say as a 58 seconds we are saving up. Okay, so that is how the values will be there. Okay, in 60 seconds, 1 minute data we are taking up. Okay, so it is that simplification which I'm going. It is not like that 1 minute will be too much accurate or something. Okay, because we are going with a linear regression. Okay, so the point of understanding is very much important, the values which you are taking up. So before putting this up in any of in your framework, you need to understand certain things. The value which you are taking up, okay, will be not accurate and too much or something like that, but we easily get some artificial values, and maybe we can make a better move rather than anybody else. Okay, so that's the reason part of I like the algorithmic trading or say programmatic trading. Okay, so we'll do it step by step, each and everything. Okay, I will deep dive each and everything and take out all those information for you. Okay, so that's the reason I might say subscribe our channel, do like and share. Okay, if you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.